What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today's video is sponsored by carparts.com, where they have great parts at affordable prices. So today we are working on our 2005 Honda Odyssey minivan, man van, whatever you want to call it. I kind of am doing this thing as a meme. I thought it would be funny, and I think it is pretty funny. But the issue is, it's a 2005. It has 192,000 miles. I don't know how many kids have been in it. It has rock chips. It's got road wear. It's done some miles. With that, we have some worn out suspension, click and CV axles, brake rotors, where when you hit the pedal, it goes like that on the steering wheel and it shakes. We're gonna lower it, we're gonna put some coilovers on it, we're gonna bring the suspension and the brakes back up to new thanks to carparts.com. We're also gonna paint the bumper, probably. We got a front bumper from them that we will be installing in another video. All of these parts you can get off carparts.com. Don't take my word for it. Click the link in the description. It'll take you to carparts.com. Enter your year, make, and model. Check out the parts that are available for your car. Well, let's get on with today's video.
We make the strings louder.
All right, guys, so we're back with the van. It's only been probably, what, 2 weeks? Maybe it's been 3 weeks. So we did the whole shop sale. We cleaned a lot of stuff up around here. We didn't have the coilovers yet, and we weren't gonna install the other parts that we had for the van until we had the coilovers. Brings us to today, where, check this out, right here in the back, we got a brand new set of BC Racing coilovers, which your boy, MotionAutoTv is a dealer for BC Racing coilovers, and they bolt directly on them. They make them for vans, they make them for this generation, they make them for the previous generation, and they make them for the latest generation. So if you're doing a van build, a 240SX build, a Honda build, hit me up. I'll sell you some coilovers. Also, we have some other stuff from carparts.com that we need to install on here. We got CV axles, and then we have some engine mounts. So I'm gonna go sit in the office, and Sean is gonna go ahead and he's gonna start. What should we do first?
Who? We? There's no we in me, buddy.
What should you do first?
Yeah.
So what we could do, I'll do the rear coilovers. I think that's only fair. You could do the engine mounts, which I think those are gonna be fun. Anyhow, we're gonna get these installed on here. Maybe let's do the coilovers and the CV axles first, and then you could do the engine mounts tomorrow.
Yeah, okay.
Probably later today. All right, pull these out. So we got some brake rotors and some new pads for this thing from carparts.com, so we're gonna put those on too. I love how they put a box inside a box. Look at those. All right, Sean, are you ready for these?
Yeah.
Check these units out. The front ones are actually maybe gonna be the easy ones to install. Wow, look at that. That's a serious coilover.
Those are nice.
Let the install commence.
Now it's Trevors turn to hold up his end of the bargain.
Where is he right now?
Where do you think he's at?
Oh.
Probably in the office. Look, coilovers done, axles done, not touched.
Brakes done?
Brakes been done, yep. Hey bud, time for you to hold up your end of the bargain.
All right, well, how about this?
Nope.
How about this?
I ain't doing it. You said.
How about
Rewind.
we race? You do one side, and I'll do the other side in the back. Winner gets a Red Bull. Hey, but I went to the store.
I bought these Red Bulls. So.
Well, I went to the store. I got some stuff. I got some oil. Oh, so while I'm doing that, you gotta change oil and do the engine mounts. Oh, and the front bumper too. You gotta do that too.
No, you're doing the front bumper.
Why?
That took like 20 minutes, maybe 30.
I know, you did great. It was probably 40.
No, whatever it was, done. Axles and coilovers in the front. Done.
I'm glad I hired you.
Yeah. Living the dream, buddy.
We're removing, ouch, the bump stop. I don't know if we should remove the whole thing. Maybe we cut it in half. because it is a van and you kind of end up loading it with a lot of stuff. So like maybe if we have 6 people in there and we're towing a trailer and maybe there's like a Jay-Z in the back, like we might need the bump stops. Maybe we'll do it without it. And, and then if we need it, then we'll put it back in. Well, the springs are, it looks like we're working on a freaking F-250. That's a lot of bump stop right there. This says, oh, this thing doesn't have a rear sway bar. Pull her down. Can you hold this up there?
You want me to do it for you too?
Yep.
Don't get my finger, buddy.
Oh, thank you. Still not low enough.
Still not low enough.
Here, watch. Sean, sit on that. Let it settle. Yeah, maybe we need to go let her.
Oh!
Is that it?
Oh!
I mean, that's definitely a lot better. Hop on.
I don't think you need lower.
Oh!
That's like undrivable.
No, that's perfectly drivable. That just looks like we got a big load of groceries. It's hitting the hinge welds on the lift. Yeah, that's how you know it's good. Basically, whatever it is, you have to get it to where you have to jack it up before it'll go on the pinch.
So I think for now, until that's great because like the front and the rear is like perfect.
But we're gonna have to change it again when we get wheels and tires, anyways. It's gonna be different. I'd say that's great for now.
When we put wheels on it, then we'll adjust it according to the wheels.
Don't break it.
Blake's gonna break.
Whatever you do, huh?
Blake's gonna break.
Please don't break it. Well, start heating her up and pressing. Pressing. Pressing? I mean, that thing fits pretty nice. Throw a couple self-tappers in it.
Oh yeah.
Oh God, please no.
Did we show them how we broke it? Yeah. Okay guys, so we're test fitting the lips and it broke it. So now we have the rear lip, which is now broken, and it like shrinks. As soon as I pulled it out of the box, it was like this. The shop is, you know, it's climate controlled. It's 70 degrees in here. So I'm heating it up a little bit more before we go test it. I'm gonna see if I can fix the back one. Maybe I'll buy a new one, maybe I won't. Maybe I'll just have Sean fix that one. Yeah? So instead of paying 180 bucks for a new bumper,
He'll pay 180 bucks.
I'll pay 180 bucks for Sean to fix it all day. It's great math, right? Great math. Oh!
Test fit in the lip.
All right, test fit.
The broken lip.
The broken lip part 2. What is it doing? I don't know. This thing is. Sir! Yeah, this thing is not happy. It wasn't low enough. We just kind of decided. We had basically like a 1/4 of an inch underneath these rings. So now we're just taking the ring out completely. So it's basically just gonna have this little bit 1/4 inch thing right there, and she's gonna be pretty low. I mean, we just kind of figured with it's not cool if it's not low. It's gonna make it low. So we're gonna do that. All right, so now we're moving on to the front. I don't know how much to lower this. I'll probably start. You know what I'm gonna do? That.
Great idea.
Give her that. That's how much we'll lower it. This is why you buy like nice coilovers, like BC Racing coilovers. So the shock body actually threads into this. Some people like don't know how to adjust coilovers, and then what they end up doing is compressing the spring and adding a bunch of preload. But you don't want a bunch of preload because then it just rides around like a pogo stick. Whereas if you do this, now you have the full shock travel. Your spring rate is the same, and you're literally just lowering the ride height of the car, which is the whole point in the first place.
Buy nice coilovers.
Buy nice coilovers. Buy some BC Racing coilovers from me. MotionAutoTperformance.com. Send an inquiry. Send you a quote. Get them shipped out. Have a good day. You have a great day. Everybody will just be doing great. So you can't spin it too fast, or you'll lose your adjustment. You guys ready for this?
Oh, what's that wheel?
Yeah. So this is a PIAA racing wheel. I got these for the Supra a long time ago. So they have so these are 5x114, but they have a really deep recess where we're basically just letting it ride on the studs. All right, go ahead. So I am now the lug nuts. Slow, yep. And that looked cool. All right, let's do it again. It looked cool though. At least we could get a screenshot of it.
What was it doing?
So it was on the pinch welds. We're gonna have to jack up the van. You used to be able to stick like a football in between there.
Was that plowing off?
It was leaning a little bit. See, it had some nice big holes. It was just chilling in there. It was fine.
Just drill that out. Plow it on here.
Oh yeah. All right, slam it.
Ooh!
Yep.
Oh, baby!
Did you pull the thing out?
That's what it needed to be like. We needed this. It needed
You guys
to.
lower the front?
Yeah.
Oh my God. That looks dirt nasty, bro.
Look at this. Some hoopy earrings. I think it looks. Let's go drive it.
We have to get it off the pinch welds first.
I think it actually kind of comes off.
Does it? Oh!
It just didn't. It didn't do that because
With the
that
other
other,
wheel,
that other
it was
wheel
flat,
was so
yeah.
low. Oh no, the front won't come off. All right, guys. So we just slammed the van right now, and we got Jamie right here. Are you ready to see the van? You got to tell me if you're gonna like it now or not. You ready? Are you ready?
Okay. Oh, it froze. It froze. Apparently he slammed the van. Oh my God, that looks so dumb. How stupid. What?
How cool is that? Look at it. That is the freaking coolest van ever. Here, let me get back here a little
It's
bit.
on the ground.
I know. That's my man van.
God, that looks so dumb.
All right, so we just got Jamie's reaction to this thing, and I guess she thinks it looks a little silly. I agree, it does look silly. For me, I know the potential, and I know where this thing is going. So we have some wheels on the way for it, which I'm pretty excited about. Basically, just need to go pick up some paint. We have the brand new bumper over there. Get the lip all fitted, but for right now, we're gonna take it for a test drive to see how these BC Racing coilovers drive. And now we won't have no clicking because the CV axles, the brakes won't pulsate. What else did we do?
Oil change.
Oh, we changed the oil. We reset the oil life. We got the Bluetooth in there bumping. Let's take it for a rip, see how it is.
No rubbing?
So, as you can see, we slammed the van. Huge shout out to carparts.com and BC Racing custom coilovers. Also, MotionAutoTv.com. We got Boost Weather hoodies in stock. We got Scented hoodies in stock. As you can see, it's pretty cold here in Colorado. How cold is it? Like 30?
I'm freezing though.
It's crazy because in Colorado, if it's like 34 degrees, it's like ice cold. But if it's like 10 degrees, it's not even cold. That's how I feel. I feel like at 10 degrees, it's cold. 34, frozen. Appreciate you guys watching this video. Let me know what you think of the van. Looking at it now, kind of want to put it on bags. I think that'd be sick. Like, we drove it around the parking lot over there, and some kid like looked at it like it was broken.
Yeah.
He's like, "What is wrong with that thing?" But it's kind of looks ignorant right now. But paint on the lips, some wheels and tires. This thing's gonna be looking sick. All right, appreciate you guys watching. See you later.